Hey there, if you live in Boca Raton or the surrounding area, there's no better time than the present to get your HVAC system serviced. Regular maintenance on your air conditioning system will help guarantee longer lasting efficiency and reliability, but not all service contracts are made equal, which is why with All-Time Air Conditioning, you can rest at ease knowing that you have a team of professional HVAC contractors that you can count on like family. Speak with one of our technicians today for more information about our annual service package and all of the additional benefits. You can give us a call at 561-777-9888. That number to call is 561-777-9888.